Hello, welcome to Dutch Recordings, and we're at another speaker repair video. Today we got these nice Cerwin Vega VS-100 drivers. These are actually very nice speakers. As you can see, we got a cast aluminum basket and very nice paper cone, very well made. US made too. You can actually replace the magnet on these. That's 4 3 screws in the back. Unfortunately, a common problem with Vega speakers and most speakers that have foam surrounds is surrounds rot. These speakers are from the early 90s, so they've been around for a while. Probably played pretty hard, but they do work. But foam's rotted. So what we need to do is, the first step is going to be we need to remove this plastic thing here. Now we're going to need to remove the old foam. Alright, now that you got the basket all nice and clean like that, we're going to take the new foam and we're going to test fit it. Alright, now we're just going to put some glue along here. Now, you're going to get your fingers kind of dirty for the next step. We're just going to spread the glue out your finger until it covers the entire edge of there. Now we're gonna center this on the speaker cone. Alright, now we wait like 15 minutes.
15 minutes later.
Alright, so like I was saying, we're back with Journey playing in the background. And also, by the way, the music is playing from the pair of this speaker that I fixed. And a Luxman receiver, the R115. Which I am not selling, by the way, I love it. Anyway, now what we're going to do is stick your adhesive under the surround. Alright, now that you got glue all the way around the speaker, let's just center it. Should be alright. Alright, now that we have finished attaching the foam, and it seems like the song's about to end, let's do one final push back. Don't hear any scratching. So, now, we'll go and reattach it, put it back in the box, and put this out around the outside, and then we'll be done. And that is how you reform a Cerwin Vega VS-100 speaker. It's been Josh's Recordings. Thank you for watching.